So as you can see in the screen, I have recently made my first commission in Skillshare by referring a premium referral and got a $10 commission for that. So Skillshare have an affiliate program where you can earn up to $7 commission for each new customer you bring to Skillshare. Now you can easily leverage YouTube free traffic to generate sales in this affiliate program. So I was paid $10 because I have a course that is CPA marketing with PPC advertising to get sales consistently in Skillshare, and people are watching this. Total watch time is 269 minutes. I have recently joined before a month ago, I think, in Skillshare, and I have already made my first commission and I'm really excited. So this time I want to share you my strategy which I'm going to use in YouTube, so you can also replicate that strategy and drive free traffic to either Skillshare affiliate offer or any other affiliate offer. So similarly, I have made a post on my Facebook wall that I got 9 ClickFunnels trial from YouTube free traffic. Okay, so now, and recently I have made a video that is extremely simple and it is of 2 minutes on how to delete YouTube playlist in 1 minute, best and easy way. And right below this I have given a join Skillshare affiliate link. So I'll talk about this video in just a minute, but before that, like, if you want to work on YouTube, don't think that YouTube is like hard to conquer. You can easily create simple videos, simple tutorial videos, and speak a call to action in that video to make people join the your affiliate offers. Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of things, then I have also launched a course in Udemy. You can join it. So currently there are 5 students and it has a 4 rating. As you can see, it is new. I have launched it in 2021 January. I will quickly show you what you are going to learn here. You learn to do affiliate marketing with YouTube in a step-by-step process to generate passive income. You'll also learn to set up and use a 100% free screen recorder. Okay, so this is the exact screen recorder that I am using right now to record this video. Similarly, you'll also learn about best affiliate program to join for driving free traffic to your affiliate offers. You'll also learn to use title, description, tags and affiliate link in an appropriate way and in a simple way. Okay, not a complicated way. Similarly, you can learn to get conversion in various affiliate program by making simple YouTube videos. You'll also learn to create your own YouTube channel. In the start, you will learn that. You'll learn to create simple and effective thumbnails for YouTube videos. Similarly, you will learn to research everything properly before making YouTube videos. Okay, so these kind of things you can learn in this simple course. Now, I have also, in this course, I have also shown you how the exact video that is giving me ClickFunnels trial sign up in autopilot mode. I have exactly shown that video inside this course. You can watch that too. So now I want you to watch this simple video. I am going to play this video and you can watch it and know how I am putting a call to action in this YouTube video to drive traffic to my Skillshare affiliate link. And know how simple it is. It is not a complicated thing to make this kind of video. Okay,
I'll quickly show you how to delete a YouTube playlist. So simply click on this icon and go to YouTube Studio. And then go to playlist, and from all of these playlists select the playlist that you want to delete. Click on it, click on this icon, that is pencil icon, edit in YouTube, and you'll see this kind of interface. Once you see this kind of interface, then there are 3 dots here. Simply click on it and you'll see a button to click, that is delete playlist. Now click on it, delete, and your YouTube playlist will be gone. Now I would like to quickly show you one more thing. that would be extremely useful for you. If you want to keep on learning premium skills that can help you to grow your YouTube channel, then you can join this platform, that is Skillshare, where you can get 14 days for free if you are using my link that is available in the description of this video. You can learn about doing SEO in YouTube, about making thumbnails. As you can see here, there are 1400 students, 900. So as you can see,
You can see how simply I taught people on how to delete a playlist in your YouTube channel, and then I simply showed them about the Skillshare and how they can learn the premium skill on YouTube. So what I did is I simply typed YouTube here. Let's, for example, I simply typed YouTube here, and all the classes that are available, I showed them that. Now if someone is new to making videos on YouTube, they would obviously be interested and they may join this Skillshare, and I could probably make the commission from Skillshare. So it is as simple as that. There should not be any complicated process. Now you may ask how to rank these videos. You don't need to worry about ranking your videos. Whenever YouTube start to show this video to people, and if people start to watch more than 50%, 75%, then YouTube will automatically start to recommend your videos to the viewers. Okay, so and I can say one thing clearly, that if you start your YouTube channel, then you'll absolutely love, because you'll instantly start to get traffic within from 1 week. Okay, after you publish some 7 to 10 videos, traffic will start to come to your channel and your affiliate offers too. So I hope this was a little bit valuable information for you, and I just wanted you to know that there is possibility, and I am also working on getting free traffic, because paid traffic is becoming extremely complicated day by day. So I hope you like this video. So take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.